truck, I'm young, flying ice up. 100-yard dash, bitch, I had to run my price up. Nigga, boss your life up, I had to boss mine up. $10,000 outfit, $100 line up. Hey, you know these bitches checking.
What the fuck is up, YouTube? It's Age back with a brand new video. And as you can see behind me, we have a large stack of boxes, or I guess 4 boxes, so it's not that large. But 4 boxes of mail that is to be opened on this channel. But before I get into that, please check out my interview that I did with Christian from Frugal Aesthetic. The link will be somewhere in the description. I'll also have it at the ending of the video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like the video if you liked it, leave a comment if you liked any of the things that I picked up, and then yeah, go ahead and check out that interview that I did with Frugal Aesthetic. Let's get right into it. From New York. I'm not actually entirely sure what a lot of these have. Well, 2 of them I know for sure what are in them, and then the other 2 I'm not entirely sure because I do have a bunch more other shit coming in. And my dog's barking out there. But I'll go ahead and open the smallest one first. So the very first thing I have is a fragrance. I'll open this real quick and then, cause I got 2 of them, and I'll open these real quick and then I will, I guess, take it out of the box and show you what it is, because you can't really tell from the small sealed black box. So I removed the plastic that was on top of it, but there's still a pretty heavy glare on this because it is so glossy. However, if you can read, it is Pharrell Williams Girl. This is a fragrance for both men and women, created by Pharrell Williams in collaboration with Comme de Garcons and Kaws, also known as Brian Donnelly. So I'll go ahead and open the packaging and pull out the fragrance itself. I've actually never smelt it, but the packaging or what the bottle looks like is the reason why I bought it, and you'll see it in just a second. So right here on the top, it comes with this card. It says technique.
This bottle has been dyed using the technique of sublimation, used in order to be able to print all around the bottle and also to obtain a multitude of complex, intense colors, often referred to as where art meets science, blah, 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 blah. It's just got this little explanation as to the packaging. Okay, so it looks like it has this little foam box.
Oh, dang. And there you have it. That is the fragrance itself. Let me pull it out of this cool little foam thing. Oh wow, this smell is pretty potent. Whew. Okay, so I don't think I'd ever use the fragrance itself, but the bottle that these come in are just so crazy cool. So of course on the top you have this white little bulb with the Kaws X eyes, and then you have that real poppy color that Kaws likes to do, wrapped all the way around the bottle. And then it says Pharrell Williams Girl. It says Artist Kaws on the back, and then it has a little bit more information as far as like the bottle contents and whatnot. It was released late 2014, early 2015, so this bottle itself is probably a few years old. I believe they retailed for like $150 each. However, because these are, I don't want to say outdated or obsolete, but because this is a little bit older, 3 or 4 years have already gone down, I got this at a heavily discounted price. If they're still up, I'll try to leave a link in the description. I'm not entirely sure what site I got it from. It was like fragrance something or perfume something. I'm not entirely sure, but the packaging alone was well worth the price. It'll go perfectly with all my other little Kaws things here. I have a whole bunch of other Kaws shit in my room. It's overall really cool pickup. I got 2 of them just because the price was so nice. Honestly, I believe, fuck, my phone keeps going off. But honestly, I believe I got both of them for less than the price of one. So there's one, and here's the other one. So yeah, both for less than the retail price of one. So really good price, super cool piece. I mean, if you're a fan of Pharrell Williams, or if you're a fan of Kaws or Comme de Garcons, this is a really cool collaboration between the 3 of them. And I'll go ahead and put this back. On to the next one.
This is the half that I don't know. And like I said, Hawaii, it takes quite a long time for things to actually come into the mail. So this could actually be something I ordered off of Grailed or Goat, maybe, like earlier in January. Oh no, sorry, not January, but earlier in February. Let's see, so, moment of truth.
This is, it looks like a sweater. Oh shit, I've been anticipating this, but I completely forgot that I got it. This is an original fake Kaws cardigan, chomper cardigan. Can't really tell, but it is navy. I bought this used off of Grailed. I want to say the original price the guy was asking was like $150, which I thought was fairly reasonable for an older, I believe this is a spring summer 2012 cardigan. So yeah, so it's a, I thought his original starting price was a fairly fair price for this piece, but then I saw that it kept going down and down and down, and I think it got all the way to like $80. So I messaged the guy, or I made an offer on Grailed because there's an option to make an offer, and I lowballed the shit out of him so we could negotiate. So I said 40 bucks, and then the guy's all like, okay, and I paid $40, and I got this really cool 6-year-old Kaws chomper cardigan. As you can see around the collar, you have the Kaws teeth from the chomper. I think I have it on this shirt somewhere. Yeah, right down here. Right down there, you have the Kaws teeth. Same thing as this one. Of course, you have the original fake tag and the dated tag right there. It has the size. The buttons all have this, damn, you can't really fucking see it in this lighting, but it's the chomper teeth on all of them, just going around in a circle, similar to the shirt that I got a couple videos ago. Anyways, $40 for an original fake cardigan. Can't go wrong. I did get a pretty small size, and I just offered on it because the price was so fair, and he sold it to me. So shout outs to the guy from Grailed. I think I finally need to leave some feedback from a month ago. I'll go ahead and put this back. Bang, on to the next. All right, and for the final two things, I'm almost certain I know what both of them are. One is from Feature, and if you can tell by that off-white tape, one is from Nike. I believe I purchased this one a week and a half ago, or whenever the first week of Supreme Week 1 was. So not last Thursday, but last Thursday. And then this one, I believe I entered a raffle on Feature sometime around All-Star Weekend for the NBA, so mid to late February, I'm not entirely sure. But I'll go ahead and open the box from Feature first.
That is my knife. That's not a knife. This is a knife. Okay, go ahead and open this one. Yep. Here's my packing slip. And we have
your traditional gray Nike Air Force 1 box. Size 10.5 Air Force 1 07 QS. These are, oh, well, if you can't already tell, these are the Air Force 1 swoosh pack. Bang, bang. So this is the all black colorway. Again, this lighting turned to shit. Holy fucking shit, this is taking a lot longer than I expected it to. Anyways, we have the Nike Air Force 1 Low swoosh pack from the All-Star game. So you can't really tell here. Again, because my lighting is a piece of shit. Because this is an all black Air Force 1, it's really hard to see any of the details. Leather quality is really nice, but pretty standard for Air Force 1 leather. This is a lot lighter than some of the other Air Force 1s that I have. I'm not entirely sure if that's intentional or if that's just the new build of the 2018 pairs. Anyways, let's get back in that lighting. Motherfuck! Anyways, shit. Is there a reason? Am I doing something wrong? Okay, this better be the last fucking time or else I'm giving up on this fucking video. Standard black Air Force One low, black on black. I am not a huge fan of sneakers with a black midsole. As you can see, the regular black swoosh rips right off, and it has this light Velcro material. It's not really that really loud Velcro, but it is that more minor one. Over here on the tongue, the Air Force One patch also is detachable. So if you wanna be funky and flip that up, something I used to do with my old Tour 4 Jordan 4s. It comes with 6 different colors: purple, pink, yellow, blue, green, and then the color that it comes with on the sneaker, so black. So 6 different ones that are interchangeable. They all come in this giant Nike plastic bag. I think that was pretty cool because this is what they, or something that they would put like extra laces in. I did throw 2 colors on here just to show you how you could just mix things up. If you want, you could put 1 swoosh. You can put as many swooshes as you can fit, but the Velcro only can hold so much. So you can put 1 swoosh, or you can throw a second one on there. I threw a second one on there and flipped it upside down just to add a little flair. Looks kind of stupid, but I'm pretty sure in the right kind of outfit, you can pull this off really nicely. And then you have a ton of other colors that you can put on here. So you can really match it to whatever you're wearing or whatever you're feeling that day.
Secondly, the thing that I got from Nike, which I will open right now as to not waste any more time. And if you couldn't guess, it was another
Nike Air Force One. Again, I think Air Force Ones are just everyday shoes that I believe everyone should own a pair. They can go on all terrains. I literally wear my Air Force Ones for everything. Beat them up and they look really nice beat up. Once again, you have that giant pack of a bunch of different colors.
These actually look like, might have some different colors than the ones the black ones came with. So I'll go ahead and open them up too. And then,
so this one actually comes with black. This red.
It's a bit deeper red than black. This is crazy, bro. I'm just stressing out.
So the red on the black pair, which is like this really like blood red, kind of like almost like Hot Lava Punch color, versus the one that comes with the white pair. It's a lot darker. Again, you can't really tell because this lighting is a piece of shit and it's dark outside, so I can't really use the natural lighting. Anyways, we have the all white pair of Nike Air Force One swoosh pack. As you can see, this one comes with a white swoosh. But I mean, now that I have all these fucking swooshes, I could probably make a multitude of different combinations and colorways for these sneakers. I'll go ahead and throw one on. Oh my god, this fucking lighting! Alright, so as you can see, I threw on the purple and yellow, or purple and gold one, kinda to make a Lakers colorway. Super clean. I believe the white one is a lot nicer. Again, like I said, I'm not a huge fan of black on black soles or black midsoles in general. But I just love a plain white shoe. And now that you can throw on a bit of color, or a lot of color if you'd like, I feel like I'd be getting a lot of wear out of this white one. So as you can see, you got those 2 pairs there. And then if you want to just rock it plain, you can rock it plain too. But regardless, this episode of Mail Time was a fucking mess. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate all the support that you guys give me. If you have yet to check out my interview or podcast with Christian from Frugal Aesthetic, the video will be right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, go and follow me on Instagram at itsage. Have a great fucking day. I'll see you guys hopefully next week.